Come with me, and you'll be in a world of pure imagination. Take a look.
Hey Kendalls, welcome back to my channel, and if you're new, what's up? My name's Kendall, and today I filmed a TikTok makeup tutorial, and this is also perfect for spring, summer, even in quarantine, even in the house. It's gonna work. You're gonna be walking around the house looking good. That's okay, because that's what I'm about to be doing. Super duper simple to make. It wasn't nothing crazy, hard, difficult, nothing like that. So if you're looking also for a good little easy, simple little springtime makeup tutorial, this is perfect for you. And so if you're ready, let's get started. And don't forget to like and subscribe to my channel, and definitely make sure you tap that little bell, let you know the next time I upload. I am going to start with my Milani Conceal and Perfect. For those of y'all that have been following me for a while, y'all know that this is my current favorite drugstore concealer and top concealer of all time currently, till they make something else that's gonna be just as good, do the same thing. But for now, this is my favorite. But yeah, I'm going to just go like this, my little lids. So I'm going to start out using this yellow shade called Sun from the Nightfall Eyeshadow Palette. This is a palette from the Makeup Shack. I ordered this, and I'll link it in the description box, and I'll also put all the other products that I used. I loved this yellow. I definitely didn't even have to use a base for it, so that was pretty lit as far as like a lighter, like a white concealer. This orange shade that I'm taking is the orange shade called Cider from the palette, and I'm just working that onto my lid and blending it up into the yellow. The next product I'm going to be taking is also from the Makeup Shack. It's their liquid eyeshadow, and this is in the shade Sun. This made such a difference on my lids. It's so gorgeous, and it's super nice and easy to work with also. So if you want to blend it, it's not too hard to blend at all. What I'm doing is I'm just making a nice clean wing with it, and it was just super nice and light. I didn't want to even put on eyeliner. I just wanted to keep this tutorial super easy. From my Juvia's Place Saharan Blush Volume 2 palette, I'm going to be taking the shade Ada. I'm going to be using that to contour with today. And then for my blush shade, I'm going to be taking the shade Neo, and I'm going to be using that as my blush. And the thing about TikTok makeup is you got to get that blush popping. You got to put it even on the nose. So you got to get it all types of bronzy and super dramatic. So for my eyeliner today, I'm going to be taking my Urban Decay 24/7 Glide On Eye Pencil, and this is in the shade Amber. And now I'm taking that yellow shade Sun and that orange shade Cider, and I'm working them underneath my eye area. I really loved this color combination. It just was super nice and springy, and I loved like the dewiness of my skin in this look. And now for my brows, I'm using my Makeup Revolution Pro. I'm using my brow define pencil in dark brown. I know I never filmed me doing my eyebrows, but here's a little sneak peek. And so I'm just going to repeat the same step on that brow. And for my highlight today, I'm taking the Nubian by Juvia's Place, and I'm taking the shade Nubia. This gave me the prettiest glow on the planet. Something I decided to do last minute was put some gloss on my lids just at the top a little bit. I don't know why, but I loved how it looked. And to do this, I took my NK Makeup lip gloss. This I just got from my local beauty supply store. And that is all I have for you guys today. Let me know in the comment box what you guys thought of this look. And I definitely plan on making more YouTube tutorials about my TikTok channel. I think it was a pretty good idea to do, so let me know if that's something you guys are also feeling or not feeling or anything like that. And thank you guys so much for watching, and don't forget to like and subscribe, and I'll see y'all in my next video. Bye, Kendalls.